Guangdong, Europe, Mango New Energy Technology Company Limited was established in 2017. It is an integrating research and development, application, production, sales, and installation services of new energy technology. Is the air energy industry to the European standard for the production of air energy heat pump manufacturers. With strong technical research and development strength, the enterprise has won the National High Technology Enterprise, Coal to Electricity Bidding Enterprises, TUV certification, European Commission CE certification, and international ISO 9001, ISO 14001 quality standard and other authoritative certificates. Mango Energy manufactures several different types of heat pumps, including DC inverter heat pump with R32 refrigerant, -25 EVI low temperature heat pump, air-to-water heat pump, swimming pool heat pump, water-to-water ground source heat pump, and household heat pumps. Mango Energy products are exported to more than 120 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, and the United Kingdom, and are highly appreciated and recognized by many customers at home and abroad. Mango products with high COP and low noise, COP up to 5.6. All products are good to use for home, commercial, agricultural, industrial, school, and hospital, for heating in winter and cooling in summer with hot water. Mango's purpose is looking dealer and close partners. Hope to cooperation with you to do big the market. Welcome to visit us.
Hi guys, we are focused on heat pump products. Welcome to contact us. We are here waiting for you.
everyone, I'm Kelly from Mango Energy Heat Pump Factory. Today, I'm so glad to introduce our DC inverter heat pump. Next, I will introduce 4 advantages of our product. Number 1, R32 refrigerant high connection for best system stability and even in hot weather. Number 2, EUI system, it can warm down to -30 degrees. Number 3, Europe level, complete testing for good quality and highest COP. Number 4, Wi-Fi solution available, Wi-Fi solution smart controller. If you are interested in our product, please send us inquiry. We believe that we will be your best partner. Thank you.